You ever wonder how a machine can create something new, something unique, something that has never been seen before? Well, that's the magic of generative AI, and today, we're going to delve deep into this fascinating technology. Now imagine a painter, a musician, or a writer. They all create something from nothing, right? They use their imagination, their experience, their skills to generate a piece of art, a song, or a story. Generative AI works in a similar way. It's a type of artificial intelligence that is capable of creating new content. Think about it. It's like giving a machine its own imagination. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's not. It's happening right now, in 2023. So, how does generative AI work? In simple terms, this technology learns from a set of data, then uses what it has learned to generate new data. It's like teaching a child how to draw a cat by showing them pictures of cats, and then asking them to draw a cat on their own. Now you may be thinking, but a machine doesn't have a brain, how can it learn? Well, generative AI uses algorithms, which are like set of instructions or rules, to learn patterns and structures from the data it is given. Then it uses these patterns to create new similar data. That's why generative AI can create everything from a piece of music to a piece of text, from a design for a new chair to a recipe for a new dish. It's a new kind of creativity, one that combines human ingenuity with machine precision. To summarize, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. It learns from a set of data, uses algorithms to understand the patterns and structures in this data, and then generates new similar data. It's a powerful technology, one that is shaping our world in ways we are only just beginning to understand. So, next time you see a piece of music, a piece of text, a design, or a recipe that seems too good to be true, remember, it might just be the work of a generative AI. It's a fascinating world we live in, isn't it? A world where machines can not only learn, but create. And that, my friends, is the magic of generative AI. It's a blend of science, technology, and art, and it's changing our world in ways we can't even imagine. So keep your eyes and ears open because the future of creativity is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.